Good evening, everyone. Tom Cherry Holmes here with the FujiNet project, and I wanted to do a very short little video basically showing some real work that I'm doing with the FujiNet, basically using it to access an AtariWriter document that is stored on my file server on the network, altering it, and making a couple of new documents out of it to be manual pages for a couple of utilities that still need documentation for it, saving back the result so that I can take it over on my PC and fold it into the build process. We start over here on the 1200XL, and I start by setting a network path using NCD. NCD, of course, is a utility that's present on the FNC Tools disk, and I've got it right here on this disk as well. We want to set it for device in, or N1. And we're going to set it to my TNFS server. And in fact, if we do a directory here, we'll see a list of files which corresponds, roughly, to this folder over here on my file server. You'll see that, actually, give me just a moment. You'll see that we see right here a doc folder, and a handful of files here. Some of them binaries, some of them documents, basic files, etc. But you can see that they're pretty much the same thing here. If I go ahead and delete this file, for example, we'll see the result on the Atari. Then and there, just to show that they're both connected. Go ahead and put you out of the way for just a moment. And we will, now that we've got this network prefix set, it will be persisted across reboots. So when I take and plug in my AtariWriter cartridge, it will be able to use it. We start by loading that little document indev.doc. We go ahead and get that into memory. And we'll start modifying it for our first little utility here, which makes directories. And here we go. Here's the first manual page. Looking good so far. Head and escape out, save the result. And actually, I should have done that here. I'll actually do that again so you can actually see. I'll delete the file again, and we will save the file here just to show that it's actually doing it. Yeah, boing. There we go. There's the file automatically created right here. Go on to the next one. I'll just go ahead and edit this one in place and do the next file. So with this one, we go ahead, make sure that's okay, do a quick read here. Looking good. Save the file again. And with that, we actually see now we have our MDIR sitting there ready to go ahead and do that with the rest of the files here. With NDIL done here, a quick proofread through here, sure it's okay. Good to me. So good. We'll go ahead and save the resulting file. And we'll do one more for good measure here. We just did indel, and now we do nren for rename. So with that here, we do a little proofread. Good to me here. And we save the result. Called nren. So with that, we have our new documents here, and we can actually go back through and proofread them again, make sure everything's okay. Go ahead. It's always a good idea to take and proofread what you're doing to make sure you don't do anything accidental. Go ahead, load the next file. That's okay. Go ahead and save the result again. It will gladly do so. On to the next file. Yep. Rename. Good so far. I think we're okay here. And here. Good here too. I will actually finish off the looking at Intel. File. I think we're okay. Okay, so now we're done pretty much. Everything I needed to do. I'm going to take these files now that are now sitting over on my network drive here and copy them directly into my build directory so that they will show up on the next copy of the FNC. Getting work done with FujiNet. Until next time, guys. Have fun.